We are going to learn about user input in a Python. User input is a built-in function that prompts the users to enter a data. It means that allow users to enter a data, so it will always return a string value as it is written. Consider this is the input as a functions. So in the input functions we are we are writing a string, what is your company name, and that input string whatever we are getting users data, that we are storing into a company variable. So let's run the program that I have written. What is your company name? If I write JP Morgan. Okay, what we are doing, we are writing the data into storing that data, and we are printing that data into we are printing that company variable. And second, what we are doing, also we are taking experience as a input, and what we are pasting that input. So let's see. See, it is your company name is a JP Morgan. Second thing is the experience. Experience. How many experience do you have? They are asking. So if I write the 5 years of experience, five is nothing but the string. As I mentioned, user input always return the entire data as a string. So 5 years also the string. So what I am doing, that experience which is present, it is the string value. String value using the typecasting I am converting into the integers, and that integers I am adding one extra years of experience, and I'm printing that value. Okay, so 5 years of experience. So total, how many years? So total 6 years of experience I have. If you know, if I without typecasting, if I add try to add this data, it will give my typecast error. So instead of adding a typecast error, I have first converted into the typecasting, and then I have add the one plus into that specific experience variable.